What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a small tool haul video. I don't have a whole lot here, but we'll go over what I do have. A lot of this is from Harbor Freight, and it's just stuff I knew that I was going to need, like accessory stuff and organization stuff. But figure I'd go ahead and do one because it's been a while since I've done it. And what we're going to start off with is this plier holder right here. It'll hold 16 different pliers at one time, and it helps free up some space. I don't know the part number to it. I will put part number in the description right here, but like I said, it's just a little like wire rack. You put it in your drawer and it holds the pliers. The head of the pliers go down in here, the arms go up here and rest against these larger wire pieces right here on the bottom. Then we picked up a 3/8 impact drive deep standard set right here. That's it. Ranges from 5/16 all the way up to 1 inch, and it is an icon. Still has tape on it, but they are 6-point, as you can see. Tend to put a lot of oil on these so they don't rust, but I do have a 1/2 inch metric set as well, and it has held up really well. The main reason I got this set is because the project truck, the engine I'm using on it, is an older engine and everything on it is standard, so I was going to need a decent standard set. And for as much as I'm going to be using standard sockets, this right here should be plenty for what I need. I don't need anything, you know, excessive. Like, I don't need to buy a snap-on set right now. If I start doing more older stuff and things that are standard, maybe like some diesel stuff that's standard, like older stuff, I may go ahead and invest in a good snap-on Mac or something set like that. But for now, this is going to be plenty of what I need. Next, I'm going to start with the Grommet set that I have right here, 180 pieces. I knew I'd need some grommets for the project truck, so I went ahead and picked this up. This right here was like $7, I think, at Harbor Freight, and they range from 1 inch to 1/4 inch. So it's got about every size grommet you can think of in here that you would need, unless you need like the major wiring grommets. But that right there come in handy for whatever I need. Next, I got the Cotter Pin Assortment. It's 555 piece. Comes from, it's got 332, 2 different lengths, 1/16, 5/32, then 1/8 inch, and 2 different lengths. And nice little tray. I typically get most of my cotter pins from Harbor Freight just because they are cheaper to buy them like this, and they still hold up pretty well for a cotter pin. I don't see spending, you know, excessive amounts of money on cotter pins, and for 550 pieces for about $10, you cannot beat that. Next, we have ORing Assortment. I got both the metric and the SAE. SAE has 382 pieces, and they're organized extremely well. You can see they're labeled with the numbers underneath them, and then you just go down through here, read the number, and it tells you what it's got. It goes from 1/8 ID to 1/4 inch OD, all the way up to 1 3/4 ID and 2 1/8 OD. The metric set right here, it goes for 397 pieces, and both of these were the same price. These were like $11. The item number on this one is 67580, and on the SAE was 67554. But it's just like the standard set, organized the same. I really makes my OCD heavy whenever you see something like this. And this goes 2.8 ID, 6.6 OD, all the way up to 47.7 ID and 54.7 OD. Then we're going to go on to the non-Harbor Freight stuff. We have the dual cartridge caulking gun right here, part number 08571. This right here has the adapter to hold the smaller cartridges for you, so you can so it doesn't move on you, and it's got the dual pistons on it. And the stuff I got in here is multi-plastic repair material. Love this stuff. It works extremely well. It is the dual mix. SEM is the brand, and 39,847. This stuff right here will cure in like an hour, and it's just like stock plastic. You put it together, you can sand it, and you will not even know the cracks were there. Like I said, this stuff works extremely well. I cannot remember how much it costs, because it's been 6-8 months since I bought this stuff, and it holds up to, like, you can see the cap is coming off. I'm moving it a little bit, but it's in its own individual tube, so it doesn't mix and it doesn't go bad, so you can keep this as long as you need to. But stuff works extremely well. But the gun works amazing. Haven't had any complaints out of it. Like I said, I've been using it for about 6-8 months now. And finally, we got some people call it a sniffer, some people call it gas leak detector, refrigerant, whatever you want to do. And this right here will do the 1234YF and the 134A. Part number is, it's a Robinair. Part number is LD3. I know y'all can hear my neighbor's dog going crazy. But here it is right here. There's a filter in here, and comes with batteries. The batteries are down on the bottom right here. That screws out, but you hit the power button once and it's going to heat up. So it heats up the sensor in here, and it does it for about 20 seconds, and then once it heats up and everything, the light will turn green to go. I'll turn it off. And you can change these filters. It comes with extra filters. They're really tiny filters. Got them in here somewhere. There they are, right there. Comes with, I think, 5. Yeah, comes with 5 extra filters. Like I said, they're really tiny. And from what I was reading, they said that you want to change them about every 6 months. That's what it said in the manual whenever I was reading it. And then it even comes with, I can find where it went. There was a vial of, where did it go? So there was a vial that came with, here it is. It's testing solvent. So you can stick the tip of it in here. There's a little hole on the top. You peel that back. It's real tiny, but you stick it in there and it will start beeping and let you know that it is still working. So keep that right there with your sniffer. That way you know that it's still working, and you want to do that before you use it every time. But like I said, I got this right here at O'Reilly's. I think it was like $250 for this right here. These sniffers are not cheap, but if you do a lot of AC work, they do come in handy. Trying to get the box back together. But I'll put a link up to all of this, because I did get this gun from Amazon, and I'm pretty sure you can probably find this right here on Amazon as well, but I needed it like right now because I had a car I needed to use it on. But if you wanted to wait, you could order that off Amazon, I'm pretty sure, and it'd probably get here in a couple days. I just needed it that day. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video right here. This just wanted to do a quick little tool haul video because we haven't done one in a while. I'm going to be reorganizing my big blue box right here, the US General. It really needs it. I mean, like extremely bad. You can see how cluttered the top of it up is on the top right now. It's got parts for the engine swap that I'm doing, the Nissan. I'm not doing a video on that, but there will be a video up on the S10s. It's going to be a power steering line repair for right now. Hopefully by the end of summer there'll be some project stuff up for y'all. If you haven't checked out the video where I did the introduction for the S10 and the car giveaway, check out the links. It's going to be right up in there somewhere. It's got all the links if you would like to help out. I'm not asking for any help with the deal, but if you want to, you're more than welcome to, and I'll send out some probably free merch for anybody that helps, you know, stickers, shirts, depending on what you offer to help with, you know, the amount. But I will send at least stickers to everybody that does help out with it. Like I said, there will be a video up on, hopefully on that soon, and there will be one up on the S10. But I'm probably just going to end it right there. If y'all enjoyed the content, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you haven't. Leave the comments in the comment section, questions, concerns, whatever you got. And remember, y'all, torque this tight, and y'all have a great day.